Let me show you a more excellent way to approach the exponential equation that we have on the board. The goal here is to find the value of x. To solve this question, we have x raised to the power of 2 root x equals to 16 raised to the power of, 16x raised to the power of 2. Recall that 16 can be written as 4 raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of 2 root x is equals to 4 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 2. So if you have a raised to the power of b multiplied by c raised to the power of b, this can be written as ac raised to the power of b because the power are the same. So that means if I have 4 raised to the power of 2, x raised to the power of 2, this can be written as 4x raised to the power of 2. So let's proceed. I'm going to have x raised to the power of 2 root x is equals to 4x raised to the power of 2. Are you following? Okay. If you have a raised to the power of b multiply c, this can be written as a raised to the power of c raised to the power of b. I'm going to apply this law. I'm going to apply it here. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of root x raised to the power of 2. This will be equals to 4x raised to the power of 2. Are you following? Now, because the power are equal, we can set the base to be equal. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of root x is equals to 4x. Now, having gotten to this point, the next step is that I'm going to divide both sides by x. So this over x and this over x. This x will eliminate this x. So at the left-hand side, I'm left with x raised to the power of root x divided by x is equals to 4, right? Now, recall that if you have a over b, this raised to the power of c and this raised to the power of d, this can be written as, okay, let's make the base the same. A raised to the power of c minus d, right? I'm going to use the same law. I'm going to use it here. So here, I'm going to have x raised to the power of root x. Now, the power of this x is what? 1. So that will be what? Minus 1. This will be equals to 4. Now, this 4 can be written as 4 raised to the power of 1, right? Are you following? Now, 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of root x minus 1 is equals to 4 raised to the power of 2 minus 1. Now, do not forget that 2 can be written as square root of 4. That is the principal square root of 4. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of root of x minus 1 is equals to, now this 2, I'm going to rewrite it as square root of 4 minus 1. Now, if you compare both sides of this equation, it is obvious that x is equals to 4. Do you understand? Because you have x here, you have 4 here. Root of x here, root of 4. So that is the solution to the question. If you have any other approach that differs from what I did here, you can drop your solution in the comment section, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay?